Hello, in this video we are going to talk about some basic math. So we're going to start a new project. We'll name it tutorial 3 basic math. Finish. And then we're going to add a file. We'll name it really anything, but I'll name it basic math. Add it to the release. Finish. First, what we can do is include our input-output stream and our standard library. Then we will add our namespace using namespace std and our main function. Remember that return 0 is important. Alright, say we had int number and it was equal to 5 and we wanted to output it to the screen. System pause. Alright, if we were to do that, build and run, it would show up on the screen like this. Number 5 shows up. Alright, say we wanted to add to the number 5. So instead of doing number equals number plus 5, we can just do number plus equals 5. And what that is that's just shorthand for number equals number plus 5. And just to show you that it's right, we can build and run this. And it shows up as 5 and 10. You can do this with every operator. We can do it with the minus, the times, divide, and the modulus operator. And what that is pretty much getting the remainder of something you divide into. So if I had 4 divided into 6, it would be 1, and the modulus would be 2. I will show you that now. So if we had number 4, and we had number 2 equals to 6, and we wanted to find number, let's do a int answer equals number divided by number 2, we would get something along the lines of just 1, I believe. Oh, we got 0. Okay. So apparently 4 doesn't go into 6 at all. What we can do is get the int modulus, and we can do number modulus number 2. And we can output that and output the modulus, and that will output 0 and 4. Modulus number 2, answer divided number 2 divided by number, maybe? Build run. Alright, that makes more sense. 6 divided into 4 pieces. Okay, yeah. So 1 is how many times 4 goes into 6, and the 4 is how much is, that's not right either. Number 2. 9, build, run. Alright, 1. Alright, that is definitely correct. 4 goes into 6 1 time, and there's 2 left over to get it to 6, so it's 1 and 2. We can do this with other numbers like 50 and 56. We would get 1 as the answer and 6 as the modulus, just like so. Okay, now that we're done with modulus, dividing. You cannot divide by 0. That is kind of a common sense rule. Everyone should know that. And I think that concludes just basic math. We will talk about input and output statements. That's cout and cin, with integers, characters, and floats, and stuff along that line. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and visit us for tutorial 4 soon to come.